This is the book of Habakkuk in somewhere around 90 seconds. The book of Habakkuk is interesting one way because it's a conversation between two people. It's a conversation between the prophet Habakkuk and God Almighty. And it starts out, Habakkuk is really discouraged and he is complaining because of the problem of evil. He sees all these evil, violent, horrible nations in the world just fighting it out, and he just sees just evil running rampant, and he doesn't understand, and he's like, God, why do you tolerate this? How can you put up with this? Why don't you do something about this? And God comes back and he starts pointing out all the sins of man, sin after sin after sin after sin. And what God points out is that the problem of evil isn't because of God. The problem of evil is because of man. All the evil in the world is our fault. It's due to us. And God talks about how that he is dealing with the problem of evil, but he's doing it in a way in which he can save man. And he talks about that one day the entire world will be filled with the knowledge and the glory of God. And he says, the righteous, you have to live by faith. You have to live by faith. And he promises Habakkuk, he says, I will do all the things that I said I will do. I will always fulfill my promises. And by the end of the book, Habakkuk's attitude has changed. And he says, I exalt in God and I glory in the God of my salvation. And he says, my strength comes from God. And we see that Habakkuk has this complete change from being discouraged to being overjoyed because he takes his eyes off of the world and everything that's going on in the world and he puts them on God. And when he puts them on God, it changes his entire perspective.